All right, check these bad boys out.
Yeah. I think you, or do you have brushless version? You have that one.
What's up, YouTube? Big Champ. Just got off the Snap-on truck. Bought me a new ratchet, the long head 1/4 inch, and got my pliers warranted. So like I was saying, picked up the little 1/4 inch. I say, why not? I already have the 3/8. That's how I broke my other one. My other 1/4 inch that's out right now for service. The 3/8 has been holding up pretty good. The barrette. Look, even flick the thing. So let's get into the Snap-on catalog. Okay. Got a nitro cap. My boss has that one for $414. It's got a lot of power to it. Get some coolant stuff. Coolant funnel. That's your lifesaver. Some relays, like I said. See, those Mackel ones are rebanded Lyle. See right here it says Lyle, that's a Lyle part. Get some lights, some probes, some fuse relay circuits, some lights. These are like wannabe aftermarket Snap-on stuff that they advertise. Some air hammer spark plug removers. I mean O2 sensor removers. Vacuum. That's it. That's it for the February catalog. Back to these bad boys. This one right here, you gotta try her out. See how she does. Quarter inch. Not bad at all. Damn, not bad at all. 14 millimeter socket on this 1/4 inch. It's not even the 3/8. The 3/8 is a little slower. It's been keeping up though, a lot. And here is the 1/4 inch. And you've seen what it did. Take off those caliper bolts like it was nothing. This is on a Honda CR-V. But what I do like is that this one has a bigger head for heavier things. But what I feel is that with the 1/4 inch, you can. Let me try to adjust the camera here. With the 1/4 inch, it's smaller. So when you get into tighter spots, you gain more because half of the shaft is on the socket, unlike the long one. I'm just happy I got one because my smaller one, I love it and all, but to be honest, it's nice having both of them.